Queen Elizabeth tells Prince Harry she's delighted for him and Meghan Markle. Queen Elizabeth's relationship with Prince Harry and Meghan Markle has been subject to quite a few speculations ever since the couple took their leave from the UK, in spite of the hearsay suggesting a feud has been brewing ever since the Duke and Duchess of Sussex decided to step back as senior members of the British royal family. The truth seems to be much simpler and not at all filled with drama. An insider close to Harry told Daily Mirror in an interview that the monarch is delighted for the couple as they find happiness across the pond in their new lives in America. Harry has spoken to the Queen and she told him she was delighted that he has found happiness. She has seen him struggle with his position in the family and had always had a great deal of affection and sympathy for him, said the source. The source further described the conversation as harmonious one between a caring grandmother and a grandson.